Well, all the base metal prices, with the only exception of tin, edged lower today on Monday the 28th of June, as slowing profit growth in industrial firms, in top consumers, China, metals, rising inventories and also premiums are sapping down the enthusiasm for the base metals and especially for copper. Profit growth at China's industrial firms slowed again in May as surging raw material prices have squeezed the margins and have weighted on the factory activity. High prices spurred the Chinese government to cool down the prices by releasing some of its metal stockpiles, especially copper, aluminium and zinc spots, which are being sold through actually tenders in China. On warrant inventories of copper in LME registered warehouses have also jumped to the highest since May 2020, while the Yangshan premiums of the metal going into China have more languished. The short-term fundamentals have not managed to keep up with the extent to which prices have rallied. That's what an analyst of Saxo Bank said, citing rising LME stocks and also low premiums. He also said the market has fallen in love with copper due to its green credentials and electrification focus, but a rise in demand related to that has not started to pick up yet. If we look at the demand side, investors were keenly also watching progress, especially on the US infrastructure plan of $1.2 trillion. This deal which have been agreed by Joe Biden, by the president, and which could definitely benefit the metals demand, of course. On the week ahead, the market will focus shifts to the release of China's official factory activity. This data will come out on Wednesday, and also, of course, on Friday, everybody will have an eye on the US payroll data coming out. Regarding nickel, just a small notice that the LME nickel inventories are at their highest since March 2020, while those actually monitored by the Shanghai Future Exchange are at absolute record lows. If we have a brief look at the current 3 months prices on the LME, we can see copper is almost unchanged to Friday's closing price, trading at $9,420. Aluminium is losing more than 0.5%. The 3 months price is at $2,480. Zinc is still below 3,000, trading right now at $2,900. That's a 0.3% loss. The biggest loser today is nickel. Nickel is losing 0.9%. It's trading at $18,400 a ton, while lead is losing 0.5%, trading at $2,220. And as I said before, the only base metal contract today which is in plus is tin, with more than 1% plus, trading at $31,240 a ton. Volumes are quite low. If we look at copper so far, only about 5,000 lots traded so far. That is not really lots. We are in holiday season, so there is definitely a little bit reduced volumes on the LME. As I said, most of the market participants are waiting for data to coming out. Brief look at the currency. The euro against the dollar is also almost unchanged, trading in a range of 119.20, 119.40. That is the report of today.